1 Minute Luxembourgish Lesson 4.
It's time for 1 Minute Luxembourgish, and I'm your host, Julie. In this course, I'm going to be teaching you just enough Luxembourgish to get by on a holiday or business trip to Luxembourg. You've already learned some greetings and useful words and phrases. Last lesson you learned how to say, you speak a little Luxembourgish. We're going to add to this today, and I think I hear the clock ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. You already know how to say, I speak a little Luxembourgish. Can you remember this phrase? It's schwätzen a bisschen Lützeburgisch. Now today, we're going to add a couple of other useful phrases for dealing with language. I don't understand is ich verstinn dat not. Let's listen to that again. I'll say it more slowly. Ich verstinn dat not. And you can go one step further and say, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Let's learn I'm sorry. Entschëllegt. I'll say that slowly again. Entschëllegt. One more time. Entschëllegt. Now let's add that to I don't understand. Entschëllegt, ich verstinn dat nicht. Listen and repeat again. Entschëllegt, ich verstinn dat nicht. One more time. Entschëllegt, ich verstinn dat nicht. Time's up. Even if you are trying to make that good impression with your Luxembourgish-speaking friends or colleagues, don't worry about not understanding what they say. They will be very impressed and appreciative if you can say that you don't understand in their language. In the meantime, thanks again, and adieu merci.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.